All right, let me cut across to the gruesome murder that happened in Tamil Nadu. Dalits in the state of Tamil Nadu now very upset and angry, protesting in Chennai after the BSP Tamil Nadu chief K. Armstrong, who's Dalit, was murdered right outside his home. In fact, he's also been a popular Dalit activist. K. Armstrong was hacked to death in Perambur region where he lived. He was killed by unidentified bike-borne men. India Today has now accessed exclusive CCTV footage of the accused after they attacked Armstrong. Visuals on your screens here show attackers fleeing the spot after the brutal murder. They were dressed, some of them, in Zomato delivery boys' outfit. There were a total of 6 attackers, 4 of them dressed as delivery boys. Accused attacked Armstrong while he was visiting his house, which is currently under construction. The street outside the house fully spilled, and in fact, you had puddles of blood there all along that road where he lived. Shocked were the people who spotted these men running away from the murder site. Armstrong was taken to Apollo Hospital where he was unfortunately declared dead. Police has now claimed that Armstrong was a history sheeter, that he had at least 7 criminal cases in the past, but he managed to get rid of those cases or prove not guilty in most of them through formal legal proceedings over the years. So it was his past. He had corrected himself as per the police. The police says that they are still probing if at all this is a politically motivated murder, but they doubt it considering he had a criminal past.
To probe all the various angles where there seems to be some inputs. All the other accused who are part of this crime and who are involved in this will be brought to books, and we will see that all who are the genuine commission of offence, if there are any more, are brought on record. So the case is under investigation. Further details only once the investigation is over we can. Based on the initial investigation which we came to know through the CCTV cameras and generally how we investigate cases regarding cell phones and other direct eyewitness account, we were able to nab 8 accused persons whom we suspect they are strongly involved in commission of this offence. So the team which had arrested them is inquiring them, and as on date Mr. Armstrong's body, the PM was conducted, and we have made some arrangement for giving him the final resting place en route. So the situation in Chennai city is normal. Law and order is maintained.
Now, the brutal murder of Bahujan Samaj Party Tamil Nadu chief has really led to a political showdown in the state of Tamil Nadu. Now, BSP party workers were protesting against the brutal murder of the state chief. They clashed with the police, workers demanding now a CBI probe in this matter. They claim that the real culprits are still at large in this case. They've also urged Chief Minister Stalin to suspend top intelligence officers for failure in detecting a crime as big. BJP and the AIDMK has condemned the incident, extended support to the bereaved family. They've slammed MK Stalin for doing nothing to keep a check on the crime, alleging that law and order situation has deteriorated under Stalin. Stalin has assured strict action against the people involved in the crime. He's also asked people to trust the probe agencies. They're doing their job. Meanwhile, you have BSP Supremo Mayawati, who has condoled the death of their party leader. In fact, she's set to visit Chennai tomorrow as well. She's urged MK Stalin government to ensure strict action against those involved.
Postmortem of Armstrong, the BSP state chief, has been completed, is what we're being told, and arrangements are being made here at the Rajiv Gandhi General Hospital to take his body from the hospital. In all likelihood, it could be taken to the party office, or other alternative arrangements are also being looked at by the Chennai police, is what we're being told. But as far as the demands from the BSP is concerned, they demand that a CBI probe be ordered into the murder, because they believe it is a planned political murder, a deliberate murder that was hatched. There was a conspiracy, and the truth can be brought out only by the CBI, is what they say. And apart from that, they also demand the resignation or the suspension, I beg your pardon, of the ADGP intelligence, because they say this is nothing but an intelligence failure. This murder could have been prevented if there was enough if the intelligence department had acted on time, is what the BSP has been saying. And apart from that, they say the 8 accused who've been arrested so far, they say, or they allege, that these are not the real suspects. The real culprits are still at large and they need to be brought to book. So these are some of the demands, and for a long time, at least for over an hour, they staged a road roko just outside the hospital, and all of them were detained by the police because they apprehended that the situation could get out of control, and for that reason all the protesters were removed forcefully by the police. They were detained.
If this is not an example of worsening law and order in Tamil Nadu, I don't know what is the other example that people can quote. And it also shows the complete pathetic display that the current Chief Minister is doing across Tamil Nadu, where it is happening in capital city, it is being noticed. Same thing is happening in Tirunelveli. It is happening in Coimbatore, happening in Madurai. All cities are becoming places where people want to settle, more so in the capital city. And they have failed in the law and order. It's very clear because CM has lost control of the administration here. He doesn't have any grip on policing, especially since in Tamil Nadu he also happens to be the Home Minister. And this has happened just a week back. One of our senior BJP leaders' husband also got hacked. Now Kallakurichi, 65 people died. Yesterday in Tiruvannai, again illegal hooch tragedy, 1 person died. So daily it is becoming like just another news. Now CM has lost complete control, complete grip on the administration, and law and order is in shambles. It is pathetic. If I can use a strong word, I can say it is only pathetic. Nobody has got the fear of police. Everybody are roaming.
Mr. Stalin, is this Dravida model? This is what you mean by Dravida model? Where is the police? Where is the administration? It's complete failure of the administration in Tamil Nadu. If you are not able to control this, Mr. Stalin, with your iron arm, please tender a resignation letter with your iron arm. That you will be, the Tamil Nadu will be grateful to you.
I strongly condemn this incident. As a national party state president, he is unable to survive because of the law and order situation in Tamil Nadu. The DMK government is totally failure to maintain the law and order situation. Because today the Armstrong is died, the Gundas are hacked to death him, and 10 days before, almost 70 people died because of the illicit arak. So where is going, what they are doing? Even Tamil Nadu Chief Minister is controlling his police department and Home Ministry is with him. He is unable to control the police, or he is unable to control the law and order situation. This is very strongly condemned.